Federal Bank is a leading private sector bank. In the last 4 or 5 years, we've expanded our presence beyond Kerala to build a sizable business in this country.
So at that time, we had a regulatory requirement from RBI wherein we have to follow this UCIC, something called UCIC, unique customer identification code has to be maintained. But to group these entire lakhs of customers manually was quite impossible.
Yeah, we had a challenge where we had to have a compliance regulatory requirement met. We had a huge data to be processed, which was not humanly possible.
So there's no choice but for us to look at smarter ways of doing it, and that is how we got onto this path of automation about 3 years back, and within which we chose RPA as our go-forward tool to kind of use it within operations to make our processes much more efficient, make it scalable, make it error-free, and make it from a cost perspective productive for the bank.
The UiPath team also, when we contacted, they provided excellent support.
We had to merge certain customer IDs, a very large number of customer IDs, legacy database, we had to merge it. Or our calculations showed that it would take about 10 people sitting for a year to try and do this before we made it a complete exercise. But thanks to our team and thanks to the work we're doing with RPA, we were able to reduce that time drastically by 50%. We got it completed in 6 months. As against a 1-year project that we had envisaged. Another example, we've been implementing Bharat QR, which is the QR code at our merchants. Very proud to say that using RPA, what started off as a 7 minutes for a person to do it manually, we brought it down to 1 minute using RPA, and we recently crossed the 1 lakh mark of BQRs implemented, which would have been kind of infeasible or unimaginable in a manual environment.
Superior TAT, increased speed, accuracy and efficiency directly improve the service TAT to customer or client, thereby creating time for further opportunities. Reduced cost, best customer experience, lower operational risk, etc. All these points certainly will improve the overall operational efficiency and growth of the bank, which will certainly be much appreciated by the top management as well as all the stakeholders.
The roadmap, when I say, it's going to be quite bright, I would say, and if linked with AI, it's going to be really great.
Where I think it will help us even more is when you combine kind of the power of artificial intelligence with the power of RPA, get them together to work, then I think our operations teams and our technology teams would have truly delivered the power of RPA.